Hi everyone, we discuss the most recent and best developments in the weapons industry. The finest tactical pistols of 2023 will be the topic of our discussion today. This film will be educational and useful to everyone interested in guns, including law enforcement officers, military people, and civilians. There have been some incredibly impressive tactical pistols released in 2023. These pistols have been developed and engineered to satisfy the demands of today's shooters, who need a reliable and accurate weapon. This video will feature some of the best tactical pistols that have been made available this year. SIG Sauer P320X5 Legion. This pistol is a real masterpiece that provides great accuracy, dependability, and adaptability. It has a Legion-grade PVT finish, a 5-inch bull barrel, and a flat-face trigger for a consistent and smooth trigger pull. All hand sizes can use the handgun comfortably because the grip can be adjusted. Glock 19X. The Glock 19X is another gun that has gotten our interest. Compact in size, this handgun is ideal for concealed carry or as a backup for law enforcement personnel. It is quite useful because it has a 4-inch barrel and a magazine that holds 17+1 bullets. Further distinguishing the weapon from other Glock models is its distinctive Koyo tan hue. Walther PDP. Walther has a reputation for being an innovative firm that makes some of the best trigger-equipped pistols in history. It's a completely new concept that Walther used when designing the gun to use red dot sights. They also gave it the PP key's great ergonomics and the superb Walther trigger that we have all come to anticipate. For duty, home protection, and concealed carry, you can also select from a variety of sizes. Walther refers to it as Ordis ergonomics and based the PDP's design on employing a red dot sight. The grip fits the hand wonderfully and is excellently thin. Walther employed a brand new texture that they refer to as the Performance Duty texture. To put it simply, it adheres to your hand without being harsh or uncomfortable. Because of the PDP's modular design, shooters can move slides and frames around to suit their needs. When it comes to concealed carry, I often prefer the short grip, but the long slide. CZP-10C. The CZP-10C is our top choice. Both law enforcement and personal defense applications will benefit greatly from the usage of this incredibly flexible weapon. It has a capacity of 15+1 rounds and a 4-inch barrel, making it quite useful. Further contributing to the pistol's remarkable accuracy and reduced recoil is its low-bore axis. The pistol's slide is incredibly robust and capable of withstanding difficult circumstances. These are only a few of the top tactical pistols from 2023 that we have seen so far. Each of these handguns has distinctive qualities and advantages of its own, and the selection ultimately depends on personal taste and particular requirements. In demonstrating some of the best tactical pistols of this year, we hope that this film has been useful. We want to emphasize to our viewers before we wrap up this film that possessing a gun carries a lot of responsibilities. It's crucial to follow safety precautions at all times and treat your firearm carefully. Anybody who possesses a firearm must also complete the necessary training and exercises. We urge the people who watch our videos to look for training options and learn about weapon safety. That's all there is to say at this time. These days, the word tactical has a unique meaning. It should mean of tactics, but the gun and gear community has seen it change and develop quite a deal. Modern weapons and equipment designed for police, military, and self-defense use are referred to as tactical in most contexts. Whenever owning a firearm, always be sure to abide by local rules and regulations. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos about guns and tactical equipment. See you again soon.